Hi children, how are you all? Yes, I hope you all are happy. What we have discussed in the last class, Nana? Yes, we have discussed about our family. Yes, about the family we have discussed and what are the members in the family, who are the members in the family and what work they have done, we have discussed. And the same way, most important other family is also there for us. What is that family? Can you guess? Yes, it is our school. Today we are going to learn about my school. Yes, what we are going to learn today, Nana? My school. A school is also nothing but a family. We feel like family members, yes. We talk with our friends, with our teachers, and with whatever the people who are there in the school, we are going to talk with them and we will be happy with them. Yes or no? Most of the time you are in the school only. Yes. Okay. What is your school name? First, I want to know about what is our school name. Yes, our school name is Shine India School. Which class are you studying, Nana? Yes, we are studying first class. Now, which subject we are going to learn? Yes, that is EVS. Right? You have introduced about your school name, class, and subject. And what about your name? Yes, my name is Niharika. Like that, you are also having some names. So, like that, here also some places or some people are there in our school. First of all, we will know about the rules of a school. Then afterwards, we will enter what are the rules and what work will be going to be done in the school. We will see. Rules in the school. Rules in the school. Yeah, children, in the family also we have learned that. Mother is going to cook the food, father is going for the office. Like that, some works will be there. And at the same time we are reading, some works will be there. And the same way for the school also we are having some rules and we have to be followed. First, come to the school. Come to the school at proper time. At proper time. See, proper time means suppose our school starts at 9 o'clock, we should be sharp at 8:55. That is called the proper time. It is called as a punctuality. Yes. So next we have to follow the prayer. We have to follow the prayer. Normally, before we going to start the classes in our school, we have the prayer, which will be conducted in the ground. All the children will stand in the lines, and we are going to complete our prayer, right? And we have completed the rules, which are known for us. Come to the school at the proper time. Means at the 9 means 9 we have to come. Next we have to follow the prayer. There is no relation, no nothing, but we are all our students, so we have to do the prayer. Next, walk in a line. Walk in a line. Yes or no? If everyone is moving in a jumble manner, is it look nice? No. If we follow the sequence or in a line, then we look very smooth and very soft, and no one will get hurt also. Yes, right now. The children are going in a line. It will look very nice. If everyone is moving in the jumble, it will look odd. And one more thing, we can identify the people easily. Like these are the first class children, these are the second class children, these are the third class children. Like that, we can identify. So we should walk in a line, either in the prayer or in the classroom or anywhere. We should walk in a line. Okay, next. Wash your hands. Wash your hands before and after lunch. Either if you are at home or in the school, when we are going to eat the lunch, we should wash our hands with the soap. See here, wash our hands before and after the lunch. After completing lunch also, we have to wash our hands. Then we will be very clean and healthy. Next, help your friends. Help your friends. See here, I told you help your friends. Means in the case if someone has forgotten their eraser, pencil, sharpener, scale, anything, you can help them by giving you a pencil, eraser, sharpener, like that. So these are the rules. What is the first one? Come to the school at the proper time. Suppose if the school starts at 9, you have to come by 9. And we have to follow the prayer. Next, walk in a line. Wash your hands before and after lunch. Help your friends. Next, some more rules also there. You will see those also. See now next step. Don't run on stairs. Okay, we have to climb the stairs, but we should not run the stairs. If we run on the stairs, we may fall and we may hit them. So we have to follow this rule also. Don't run on stairs. Next, be ready to listen for anyone. See here, be ready. We should be always ready to listen for anyone. Means if the teacher is telling, you have to listen. If your friend is telling, you have to listen. If your mother is telling, you have to listen to them. If some other teacher also is telling, or you have to listen. If I is telling, you have to listen. If principal is telling, you have to listen. Means we should be ready. Always the teacher or the student should be ready to listen for anyone. Anyone means if we come for whoever we meet in the school or in the home, we have to be ready to listen. Next, keep calm. Yes, children, keep calm and when the teacher tells the students that be quiet, be calm and do your work, you have to follow her instructions. So that is also we have to follow. These are the rules of the school. Next, wear your school uniform. Wear the school uniform. School uniform. Yes, this is the important thing. While coming to the school, we have to wear only the school uniform. Okay. Next, wish the elders or teachers. When you come to this class in the morning, you say good morning, ma'am. Like that, you will say that you have to follow. Wish anyone, right? Either he is a teacher or not, someone who is elder than you, you can wish them. That is also a one type of a rule. Come to the school with clean and neat. Here I am telling you the meaning of clean and neat. You are wearing the uniform, okay, but we have to comb our hair. Next, we have to polish our shoes. We have to iron our school dress. Those are the meaning for the clean and neat. That way we can wear the uniform, but after washing the clothes, we have to iron it. Then it will look neat and clean. Any that will not be there, so it will be clean. Next, these are the different rules we have seen. What is the sum of the rules? Don't run on the stairs. Please walk on the stairs and climb the stairs. Be ready to listen for anyone. Either if it is a lesson or if it is something someone is talking, you have to listen to them. Be calm means be polite. You can write here polite. Polite. Be polite for everyone. Wear the school uniform properly. Okay. Wish the elders or the teachers, whoever you have seen, come to the school with a clean and neat uniform or in a clean and neat way. Means you have to wash your uniform, you have to iron your uniform, polish your shoes, comb your hair, tie. You should keep your belt in a proper way. Like that, so many rules are there for the school. Next, we will know about what are the rules and what are the different places in our school. We will learn now. Yes. Listen now. In our home also we are having the kitchen, dining room, bedroom, hall. These will be there. Yes. In the school also we are having some of the different rules. See here school. This is our school. See here, what you will say? Yes, very good. What is the first one? Classroom. Next, where you will go for the prayer? Yes, that is the playground. Then where you will read? With you can see many books also. Yes, that is library. Library. Then where you can draw something very interesting. Some teacher is there and everywhere in the walls there are the paintings. Yes, that is art room. Art. Next, if there are any musical instruments, that we will call as music room. Yes, music room. And next, what is there? Yes, most important person for our school. Yes, that is principal room. Principal room. Next, where our parents will go and meet? Yes, in the office. Office. Next, where we will wash our hands? Yes, washroom. Next, where we can see the computers, that is called as computer lab. Computer lab. Okay. Next, where we can buy the things in the school? Yes, in canteen. Yes, these are the different places or the different rooms we are having in our school. Principal room. Who is there in the principal room? Yes, principal. Either he or she, we can say. Next, the classroom, who will be there? Children and the teacher. Playground, who will be there? Yes, children are playing in the ground. Library, yes, children will study there. Art room, yes, we are going to run something. Next, music, we are going to play the musical instruments. Washroom, to wash our hands. Computer lab, to know about some pictures or we can see. Canteen, where we can take our food or we can buy the food. So, sir, excuse me. Now I am going to show you some pictures of related to the school. First picture I am going to show you the school. Observe the picture carefully, then you will get some idea. What is the structure of a school? Normally we can, while entering into our school also, we can see what is the structure of our school. We are having many rooms. Yes, in the school. Have you seen the picture? Can you see it? Yes, that is the school. Shall we move to the next picture? Yes, that is staff room, where all the teachers will work for corrections or can sit and talk for some time. Okay. Staff room, who will be there, Nana? Teachers. Will you observe the picture once again? Yes. What is that room? Yes, it is the staff room. Shall we go for the next picture? Yes. What can you observe in that? Yes. Computers. Then what we call that room? Computer lab. Have you seen? Okay. Next, we will go for the next room. Okay, medical room. Next, when we are feeling ill health or sick, we will go for the medical room. In that, one nurse will be there and she is going to take care of us. If it is needed, doctor will come to the medical room. It is also there in our school. Next, music room. Next, we are going for the music room. Observe the picture, you can see. Yes, so many instruments the children are handling. Yes, that is the music room where we can play the musical instruments. Shall we move for the next image? Yes, that is canteen. What we will do with the canteen? When it is the break time, we go for the canteen and we will buy some of the food. Okay. Have you seen the canteen in your school? Okay, nice. What you have brought? Chocolates, biscuits. Will you give for your teacher? No, only you are going to eat that. So I will also buy for you. Don't worry, in the canteen. Next, we'll go for the next picture, Nana. Okay, next picture was the washroom. Use it for the hand wash and some face wash also we will use. Next, what is the next picture? Can you observe? Children are sitting in the 3 to 4 members are sitting in one place, and some other children are sitting in one place, and some teachers are there. It is the library where we can study our textbooks or any storybooks or any images we can see. That is the library. And we will move to the next picture, Nana. That is the playground. Yes, in the playground, what we will do? Yes, we will play all the different types of games. These are the different types of rooms we have seen in our school. Yes or no? Yes. Principal room, who is there? Yes, principal will be there. Classroom, who are there? Children or the students. Here, principal will be there. Next, in playground, children as well as teacher, you can say. Library also, it is used to learn or read books. Okay, in the library also we are going to learn or read books. In art room, we are going to draw the picture. Draw the picture. Next, what about the medical room? When will we go there? Yes, if we fall sick, who will be there? Nurse will be there in the medical room. And sick people or ill, when we are ill students, ill children. In music room, what we can see? Musical instruments. And we learn how to play the musical instruments. Washroom, you know already about it, we are going to wash our hands. Computer lab, we can operate some of the things and we can see the images which are related to our topic. Staff room, who will be there? All teachers. All the teachers are there in the staff room. Okay, who are there in the staff room? All the teachers. And they will do their work like correction or talking to each other, writing lesson plans, and so many works they can do in the staff room. Staff room. Next, canteen. We can buy food. Office. Who will go for the office? Yes, parents. Parents will go for the office. Or if we are needed any information, we go for the office. Yes, this is about our topic. Have you got the clarity? Okay. What are the rooms are there? Very nice. Principal room, classroom, playground, library, art room, medical room, music room, washroom, computer lab, all these are there in the school. Do you feel happy in the school? Yes, we feel very, very happy because we can read in the library, we can play in the ground, we can talk to our friends, we can draw, we can sing. Yes, so many things will be, so many activities will be going in the school. So we feel very happy to go to the school. Yes, we have. Okay. We can see different we can see different types of rooms and we can know what is the use of the room also, and we have learned about some rules and regulations. Yes, rules and regulations will be followed by each and every child as well as teachers, principal. Each and everyone has to follow the rules of the school. And most important thing is that if we follow the rules and everything will go in the smooth manner, and we can improve our knowledge, and so many things will be going on. Tell me some rules. Yes, don't run on staircase. We should walk in a line. Do the prayer. Keep calm. Be silent. Be disciplined. These are the different things we are going to follow in the school. Have you learned for today's class? Yes. What are these about my school? And in the last class we have learned about family. The same we feel family is a family, and as well as in the school also we have to feel it as a family. Then we feel happy and we can enjoy our studying. Okay. Please children, please read the textbook once if it is there, and if you want to observe any rooms or anything, you can observe in the school also lively, but present the situation is not in our control. So after joining in the school, you can see all the rooms, whatever the classroom and principal room, playground, library, art and music, washroom, computer lab, canteen, staff room, you can all office, you can see lively. Okay, present I have shown you the pictures, but when you join in the school, you can see all these pictures or all these rooms clearly, lively. Okay. Now today I am going to send you the worksheet regarding my school. What is our topic? My school. So I am going to send you worksheet on my school. So please read the topic. Please complete with the help of your parents. Okay. Very small worksheet I have given. Very interesting too also. Be happy, be healthy, uh, be ready to come to the school. Okay. Enjoy the day, Nana. Have a good day. Thank you. We will meet in the next class. We will meet in the next class. Take care, children.